New microphone. Directions, don't need that.
What's up, everybody? Tuesday, June 9th. So this is another audio setup test. Just got a whole new mic. I also picked up a couple CRG hindsight lane splitting folding mirrors. So far so good. I haven't even rolled with them yet. I literally just installed them this afternoon. I like the fact that there's a little bit of a convex to them. Note to yourself, guys, be careful with Amazon mirrors. They're cheap for a reason. Usually because they suck. Bought them in a local store. Tried to, support a little bit local anyways. And took them 2 weeks to get me the extra mirror. They had one plus the bar end adapter. They were missing the second one, so I ordered it. It would have been 2 weeks tomorrow, the 10th, that I had ordered it, so kind of sucked. But that, and I paid like almost $100 more than if I had to say bought off of say Fort9 or Motovstars out of BC. So a couple projects will be coming up on the bike. I'm going to be installing some more turn signals on the rear end. I have my CNC on the front and I had my integrated on the rear. I got a ticket last week. I guess it was more of a matter of time and not so much of them trying to annoy me, because I know integrateds aren't allowed here. Here in Quebec, it needs to have at least 8 inches between the turn signals, which is kind of stupid, but whatever. And it's not like my integrated's like hard to see or anything. Like, it's, if I have my turn signal on, I'm turning. It's brighter, catches your eye, like there's no specific reason. It's just Quebec being Quebec. I got a second ticket for my SC exhaust. That sucks. The minute there's that tag that says, for off-road use only, you're shit out of luck, really. Let's not give the cop a reason to come pull me over. Just stay nice and quiet, bike. Nice and quiet. Just putts along. I don't need another ticket. I'm already at like $600 worth of tickets for this exhaust. I don't need to bring it up to $900. If I can keep it below the cost of the exhaust, it'd be pretty awesome. So we're almost at the actual test of this microphone, which is going to be once I get it on the highway, because that seemed to be where I happen to have all the issues with the other microphones. Mirrors that actually work is amazing. You can actually see what's going on my right side now. So that's it for that audio test on the highway.